and Canva just changed how faceless videos are created. And if you're not using these two AI tools right now, let me show you how to do that and save yourself hours of working and creating. The videos that always takes forever can now be created in just few minutes using these two tools. Right now, without talking so much, let me show you exactly how to build a full faceless YouTube channel with just Claude and Canva. I saw this video and this particular niche right here is not saturated. For so many of you that wants to go into faceless YouTube channels, this is a very good niche that you can hop into right now. As you can see, this video was posted 4 months ago and it already has 601,000 views. So right now, I decided to create this exact video and this channel using Claude. So right now I'll open up to Claude, and for some of you who have been asking or experiencing any issues logging into Claude, all you need to do is to simply use the same number for the email that you are trying to use in opening your Claude account, right? I had same issue when I tried logging in with my desktop. All I did was to check my number, and once I got the right one, it opened up very easily. All right, I was able to log in. So just reconfirm that your number and your email is the ones that should be there, all right, so you don't make mistakes and find it difficult to open up Claude in your, be it MacBook, iPhone, or any which device that you want to use to replicate these exact steps that I'm about to show you right now. So what I will do now is to go over to this particular video, and before you ask, can you be able to use Claude to build a different channel or different video entirely? In my next video, I will show you how to use Claude to build a full faceless YouTube channel from scratch. That is when you don't have any idea, because this one right now, I already love this niche, which is a parental advice and parents talking about babies and the rest of it, right? And we are creating it in this particular video. But in the next one, I will show you how to build a full faceless channel if you don't know anything, right? So we are starting from scratch, and if that is what you love to watch, make sure to hit on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next one. So now I'll click on this share button right here and copy the link of this video. This is where Claude gets to work. Right here, I'll paste the link here inside of Claude. Remember, this is Claude free plan, okay? I am yet to subscribe. So let's use Claude, the free version, to create a full faceless video. So right now, I will tell it to give me all details about this exact video, and then I will send it into Claude, right? Now, Claude is fetching and searching and trying to get the best details. So now, as you can see, here is what I found success. The video title was hurting your baby's brain development without realizing it. Okay, published, and hook tags, because you can see it says to get the best, I should share the channel's name or paste the video description here. So let me just share the channel's name, Parenting Tricks. I hope I got it right. So as you can see, I just added the channel name, and Claude was able to bring out everything about the channel, right? Smart, gentle, practical, targets parents who want calm, structured approaches to raising kids. Okay, so with just this, it will give you everything that you want about the channel. So now let's build a full video that is exactly that of that channel, right? Okay, so right now I told Claude that I want to build a full video just like this channel right now, and it's asking which angle do you want for this video. Is it the mistakes parents make / fear, or habits that boost baby brain, that is positive hook, or do I want signs your baby's brain is developing well? Now I will think through this thing. This is where your human thinking comes in, because I will assume, I will think, what will I be able to click? What video will I click if I should see it now? Mistakes parents make, habits that boost baby brain, signs that your baby brain is developing well. Curiosity, I will go for the curiosity. And now it says video length target, I will say 8 to 12 minutes, voice over script, calm narrative, warm conversational, urgent, and I will say urgent and punchy, right? Because it's a new channel that we are building here, I need urgent and punchy because it will make people to want to watch for a longer time. Now this is the video titles, I can pick any one of these. This is the video description, even the timestamps, this is the tags, everything. This is the full voice over script. Okay, so I'm being direct with this right here with Claude because this is a free plan, and very soon if you continue talking without doing your research, they will kick you out and tell you to wait for a full day, right? So you have to do your research before you type in anything. Just like as you can see right now, I'm giving it directions so that I can be able to use just the free plans. If I don't have any idea right now, that means I will create this video more than 2 days, because before you can get something tangible or before you can get a good full idea, they must have kicked you out and you wait for 20 to 24 hours before you can use the free plan again. So to get the best result and as fast as possible, you need the Pro Claude, right? You need to upgrade so you can be able to interact and do everything that you want as fast as possible. So for me, using the free plan, I have gotten everything that I wanted, which means you can get still the same thing. Since I can be able to get what I want with the free plan, you can start with this, right, and upgrade when you feel like you are getting value. First test Claude, and if you like it, you can then upgrade and use it for so many other things, which I will be showing you in my next videos, right? So make sure to subscribe to this channel. Right here we have everything that we need, so I'll go ahead to copy the voiceover, right? This is our voiceover script right here. For the hook, I'll copy when it's time, but for now, this is how to get ideas, how to get everything, even your video description, timestamps, tags, and everything to build a full YouTube video, right? So right now, Claude has done the magic. Let's use Canva to bring this video and this story to life. If you have learned one or two things from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube show it to more creators who will find this video helpful. Thank you. Now in the next step, let's use Canva to build everything and make a full faceless YouTube video. Let's dive in. So now I will hit on my Canva. If you do not have Canva, of course, I'm using Canva because it is very affordable. The Pro feature is very affordable, and you can use the free plan to create this video, right? You can use the free Canva to create this video right now that I will be showing you how to do. Okay, so this is using free tools to build something that will earn you lots of dollars in few months, right? So right now, once you come to Canva, go to create. Of course, you will log in using your email or your Gmail, right? And once you are in here, you go to create and then video. Right here in video, I will choose YouTube video, right? We are here for YouTube video, right? So simply choose YouTube video, and here we go. We don't need to select any template, just move it down, right? Let's start from scratch. So let's go over to our script in Canva, right? Your baby can't talk, they can't tell you if something is wrong, and that silence terrifies most parents. Okay, so right now we already know that what we have here is a baby, so I'll go to element and search baby, little baby. All right, little baby, let me say little baby, and see the options that it will give me. Okay, so now I'm in the audio. I will go to graphics, right? Then I will put it to photos. Okay, as you can see, you can have babies, you can even have them in videos, right? You can go back and go to videos right here. Canva have so many options, right? So you can just choose the one that you want. I'll just scroll and select. Okay, let me go for this one right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is it right here, right? Okay, so this is it for the first one. And the second thing, it says it terrifies most parents. Of course, you can use Claude, right? Just tell it to give you the elements that you'll be looking for inside of Canva, and Claude will give you that, right? Because when you are doing a long form video and you need it faster, simply use Claude. You don't need to think about it just like me, but you can still do it this this way, right? I'm trying to do the least that you can do so that every other thing will be as fast as possible. Okay, so right now I'll go here. I will either search for a terrified parent. Feel free to try out anything that comes to your head. If you didn't find it, of course, you go on to the next one, right? Instead of just assuming, will I see this, will I see that? Okay, you just search terrified parents. Okay, this looks like a terrified parents, right? So I can just use this. All right, so I will go back. Remember, this won't be this long. I will just adjust it, but that will be when we add the voiceover, right? So right now, this is it right here. Okay, so I will go back again. Your baby is already sending you signals. I'll just look for another baby and the parents, right? A baby and the parents, baby and parents, baby and or mom and baby, right? Okay, I can just use this one right here. Okay, so this is it right here, right? So this is how you continue adding up. Remember, you can even use images as well. Canva has images. You can mix it up. Okay, let me try mixing it up right now. Before this, after this mother, let me place a little baby image right here. Okay, let me just place little baby. All right, let me just say little baby again, little baby. I'll go to pictures and then let me choose this. Okay, as you can see, this is it right here. I'll just move it a little closer. So this is it right here. Okay, so this is it right here. This is how you keep creating your videos. You have all the resources inside of Canva. So with this right now, let's copy this first hook. Okay, let's copy this first hook, copy, and then create our voice over. Okay, so now to create our voiceover, remember we are not done, but what I like to do is to first add my voiceover, because when you listen to your voice, you will get inspirations instantly on the images, the elements, and everything you will be importing inside of your timeline, right? So to add your voiceover inside of Canva AI, simply click on this add audio right here and then select AI voice. All right, then here I'll paste my prompt. And please remember, right, I subscribed to Canva. All right, I subscribed to Canva because I use it for my YouTube thumbnails. I use Canva to design my YouTube thumbnails, so I am in the pro feature. So if at any point you cannot get some things, simply go for the ones that are in the free plan. Okay, so you won't think that there is something wrong. No, because with this right now, I can't be able to see most things that are free, but from here, this Carol voice is pro and this last voice is pro, but you can use this Lisa, which is this one, and Raf for free. Same, anything that you see this crown beneath it, know that that one is paid feature. Just leave it and go for the pro one, right? So with this right now, I will use this Raf, which is a free person, or rather, let me use Lisa, right? And then I will hit generate voiceover. Now Canva is generating our voiceover, and as you can see, we are done right here. I'll click on the voice. This is the voice right here. I'll click on the voice and increase it to 400, right? And then I'll add auto captions as well. Canva will open up for me to select the best one that I want. I will scroll down. As you can see, there are so many options right here. I will look for the one that will fit my video style, both the font and everything. All right, okay, so this will be fine. So I will hit on it and then generate caption. Right now Canva is generating our video caption for us. Okay, so this is it right here. Okay, as you can see, this is getting more interesting. So this is it. Can you believe that in just few minutes you can be able to create something as beautiful as this? Let's listen to what we have created before moving on, right?
Your baby can't talk. They can't tell you if something is wrong. And that silence, it terrifies most parents. But here's what nobody tells you. Your baby is already sending you signals.
Wow. So right now, as you can see, most of these things didn't sync well. Like right here,
your baby can't talk. They can't tell you if
they can't tell you when something is wrong. So right here, let's add another element of a different baby. All right, okay, so for this one, this will be very okay. So let's listen. Just like I said, the voiceover will help you, right? So generate your voiceovers before bringing in your elements. All right,
your baby can't talk. They can't tell you if something is wrong. And that's not.
Okay, so from here right now, I will move it back and it will show the parents.
Your baby can't talk. They can't tell you if something is wrong. And that silence, it terrifies most parents. But here's what nobody tells you.
Wow.
Your baby is already sending you signals. Every single day.
Every single day. So I'll go ahead right here. I'll go to elements and check, like every single day I can just get a baby that is playing, or I can even get a video, right? Let's just mix it, video and images, so that it will look more interesting, even more than the one that we saw on YouTube. All right, okay, let me use this, right? Okay, so this is it right here. This is how you keep adding it. Since you can use videos, no need making it only images, right? Of course, since you have everything, no need to just use images, because some persons don't even know that they can access these things for completely free, right? So make the best use of this and create a very perfect video, right? So this is it right here. This is how you keep adding it. As you can see, it is free, it is easy, and it is beautiful. Let's watch our video once more.
Your baby can't talk. They can't tell you if something is wrong. And that silence, it terrifies most parents. But here's what nobody tells you. Your baby is already sending you signals. Every single day. Signs that their brain is firing correctly, building connections, developing on track.
Wow, so this is how you build a full YouTube video with just Claude and Canva. And right now, Canva just did something magical, right? There are so many upgrades and so many things that Canva just added. And of course, I'll be sharing that in the next and upcoming videos, right? So stay tuned to this channel, and once you are done creating, all you need to do is to click on this button right here and then click on download. All right, so once it is done, you simply download, right? And that is it. Your video is ready and you can upload on YouTube and start making money, right? Of course, it is monetizable, and you can monetize this channel just like the one we watched and start making good dollars. So right now you can be able to build any type of faceless niche or video at all with just these two AI tools. And if you want to take it a step further, consider subscribing to Claude and Canva, because using only the free tools will give you limited access. All right, so with this right now, I wish you all the best, and let me know in the comment section if you learned something new, and if you're going to be implementing what you just learned and what niche you will be going into. Who knows, I might actually give you tips and as well chip in things that will help you in your faceless journey. I am Success, and I wish you success. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.